If Photoshop is showing an OpenCL error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Photoshop working again. This problem is usually caused by outdated graphics drivers, missing Windows compatibility components, or a cached Photoshop error file that keeps the issue coming back even after you think you fixed it. So stay with me, follow each step carefully, and by the end you should have a clean reset and a working OpenCL setup. And if this video helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the most important fix first, updating your video drivers. This is the core solution, because outdated drivers often don't have the updated instructions needed to communicate properly with Photoshop's OpenCL requirements. If your driver is old or corrupted, Photoshop may not be able to talk to your graphics hardware correctly, which is what triggers the error in the first place. Now, if you're using a desktop computer, you'll usually need to update the driver for your main graphics card. But if you're on a laptop, this part is even more important. Laptops often use two graphics systems, a dedicated graphics card like NVIDIA or AMD, and the built-in processor graphics like Intel or AMD integrated graphics. You need to update both of them. If the built-in graphics driver is outdated, it can break the entire OpenCL communication loop, even if the dedicated GPU is already up to date. To do this, go directly to the official website for your graphics hardware. If you have NVIDIA, go to NVIDIA's official driver page. If you have AMD, use AMD's support site. If you have Intel graphics, go to Intel's official driver download page. Avoid random driver websites, because the safest and most reliable option is always the manufacturer's own site. Download the latest driver that matches your exact hardware and your version of Windows. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, there is one extra tip that really matters. Choose the Studio driver during setup instead of the Game-Ready driver. The Studio driver is specifically optimized for creative apps like Photoshop, so it tends to be more stable for Adobe software. Once the download is complete, run the installer, follow the prompts, and finish the installation. After the driver update is installed, restart your computer. This is important because Windows needs a full reboot to properly load the new graphics driver files. After the restart, open Photoshop and check whether the OpenCL error is gone. In many cases, that alone solves the issue. If Photoshop still shows the error, then the next step is to install the OpenCL, OpenGL, and Vulkan compatibility pack. This is especially useful on Windows systems where the graphics drivers are updated, but Photoshop still can't find the proper compatibility bridge it needs. Think of this as a translator between Photoshop and your hardware framework. To install it, open the Microsoft Store app on your PC. In the search bar, type OpenCL, OpenGL, and Vulkan compatibility pack. When the app appears in the results, click Get or Install and wait for the installation to finish. Once that is done, restart your computer again. Don't skip the restart, because Photoshop may not recognize the new compatibility components until Windows reloads everything properly. After rebooting, launch Photoshop and test it again. If the error is still there after both the driver update and the Microsoft compatibility pack, then there is one final fix that often gets overlooked, and that is clearing Photoshop's cached failure log. Here's what's happening. Sometimes Photoshop keeps reading an old cached file from a previous crash or failed hardware check. So even if you've already fixed the actual problem, Photoshop may still think OpenCL is broken because it is looking at outdated information. We need to force Photoshop to do a fresh hardware scan. On your keyboard, press Windows key and R at the same time. This opens the run box. In the field, type %appdata %\Adobe /Adobe Photoshop 2026 /Adobe Photoshop 2026 settings. If you're using a different version, like 2025 or 2024, just change the year and the folder name to match your version. Then press Enter. A folder should open. Inside that folder, look for a file named Sniffer-out.txt. This is the cached failure log that can keep triggering the OpenCL error. Delete that file and close the folder and open Photoshop again. When Photoshop launches now, it should run a completely fresh hardware scan, detect your updated drivers and the compatibility pack, and unlock OpenCL properly. In most cases, this final reset is what clears the error from good. So to recap, the three fixes are: update your graphics drivers, install the OpenCL, OpenGL, and Vulkan compatibility pack from the Microsoft Store, and if needed, delete the Sniffer-out.txt cache file so Photoshop can rescan your system. Follow those steps in order and you'll give yourself the best chance of fixing the Photoshop OpenCL error quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy Photoshop fixes, Windows troubleshooting guides, and creative software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.